Me too!
In this course, you will master Unity and C# by developing 5 Super Mario video games. Create a Dance Dance Revolution Mario mix game for mobile. Develop a 2D Super Mario Bros. Game for PC and web. Develop a Super Mario Sunshine version of Jetpack Joyride. Create a Super Mario Baseball game for Android and iOS. And build a Super Mario VR game for the Google Cardboard. Our Dance Dance Revolution Mario Mix game will be a 3D game that features an animated start screen, in-game audio, 3D dance animations, a rotating disco lights effect, pattern timing and coordination, and be developed for Android and iOS. By the end of this game project, you will have a fun DDR Mario Mix game that you can play on an Android or iOS device, or on the computer using a free emulator in Android Studio or Xcode. Then we will create a 2D Super Mario Bros. Game which features 7 levels and some of the most popular enemy AI characters from across the Mario franchise, like Goomba, Koopa, Flying Koopa, Dry Bones, Cheep Cheep, Blooper, Mr. Blizzard, Frost Piranha, and a boss fight against Bowser. It will also feature power-ups like the Fire Flower, Red Mushroom, Mega Mushroom, and 1-Up Mushroom. We'll build this game for the PC and web platforms as we gain a deeper understanding of Unity's internal build process, like how C# is converted into .NET bytecode, then transpiled into C++ using IL2CPP, and then the C++ is transpiled into native code using mscripten. After that, we will create a Super Mario Sunshine game in the style of Jetpack Joyride. The game will be a 3D infinite runner side-scroller style game that we build for the mobile platform. It will feature AI enemies like PD Piranha, Bullet Bill, and Bowser. It will also feature a myriad of power-ups including Mini Mushroom, Mega Mushroom, Metal Armor, 1-Up Mushroom, Fruit, and a Superstar power-up that clears all enemies on the screen. Then we will create a Super Mario Baseball game for mobile. This game will feature an animated start screen and exciting gameplay. Tap the screen of the mobile device to swing the bat, and try to get the power meter on the bottom as high as possible before swinging, to put extra power behind the hit. Gain an intimate knowledge of Unity's UI system, and learn how to build an exciting Mario sports game for mobile. Finally, we will develop a Super Mario VR game for the Google Cardboard. We'll use the Google Cardboard SDK for Unity, and the game will feature a main menu that uses gauge tracking, and 3 levels with enemies and power-ups. Hurl Koopa shells at enemies, fight Bowser in outer space, use an ice flower to freeze Fluzzards flying around a high level, and throw shells at them to shatter them into shards of ice, and encroach onto the doorstep of Bowser's castle as you fight Bowser Jr. This course is for anyone that wants to build 5 awesome Super Mario games in Unity using C#, anyone that wants to gain mastery of the Unity game engine, aspiring game developers that want to build professional quality games for their portfolio, and video game fans that are curious how to build Super Mario games. By the end of this course, you will have 5 Super Mario games you developed in Unity using C#, and have an intricate knowledge of the Unity game engine that you can use to develop professional quality games and content for your portfolio. Are you ready to master Unity game development? If so, then in the words of our favorite plumber dressed in red, here we go!